다 tomolya 아로 딜리쇼 접지엔 가장 매기 타겐디 마스마 트레드 마스마 슈샤나 something.
First of all, I'd like to wish everyone good morning, and I thought I would begin by continuing by reading from the Jewel Ornament of Liberation.
전주도 샘게비 미번에 전주도 샘쟁이 될 미보 대달에 전주 샘베 살에 대다외나 샘게바 되는 전주를 미바다 샘쟁을 미바이노 셰 송소 대라 전주를 미베 제샤한 티워신비 이시 최고를 미바데 노데게기 샘게기 겁내자 대신 대 이시 최고를 미바 셰 송소 샘쟁을 미바 셰차와야 샘쟁지가 니섬 가서마이 남게 가르쳐불라 샘쟁이 디 가르쳐불라 나 레뉴베 레르 뇽오비 캬블라 디 강라 캬바나 동해기 캬블레 대남지 동해 세월 차회 체도 섬겨오 대다량 상주원함레 남게 대도 교바 지점 섬제마류 타야 되진데 지점 레르 뇽 못할 교바 다 몰람타 대점모 셰 송소 전주도 섬게베 교네 최주변도래 규시 샘데 겨르 교데 샘딩이 이편 통하다 디진시발라 대바다 심증이 동에 통하다. 계획신이 양답으로 그거 셰 송소. 전주선 베살에 규시를 송데. 지게도 텔라 규시 강시나. 리피순 소반에 전주선 베심기 규당보 상계의 전주선마다 계획신이 요스심반에 전주선 베심기 규니바오. 심진은 닌자와 전주선 베심기 규수바오. 거에 동에다 까와집에 동해 유리원 넘버나서 차바 파르체 매베게 민지원데니 전주선 섬기비 규시바오시 송소.
The fourth topic, the focus of bodhicitta. Fourth, the focus of bodhicitta encompasses both enlightenment and the welfare of sentient beings. It says of this in the bodhisattva levels. Hence, bodhicitta is something focused on enlightenment and focused on sentient beings. Of these two, bodhicitta focused on enlightenment is that which is focused on striving for Mahayana pristine awareness. In the chapter in the Ornament of Mahayana Sutras concerning bodhicitta development, it says, likewise, that which it is focused on is pristine awareness. That which is focused on sentient beings does not mean focused on just one, two, or several sentient beings. Space is pervaded as far as it stretches by conscious life forms, and they in turn are permeated by karma and afflictions. Wherever the latter pervades, suffering also pervades. Bodhicitta is developed to remove those beings' suffering. Thus the prayer of excellent conduct says, wherever may be the limits of space, there are the limits of sentient beings. There are also the limits of karma and the afflictions, and there are the limits of my aspirations as well. Fifth, concerning the causes for bodhicitta development, the Ten Dharma Sutra says, such a mind will arise on account of four causes: insight into the benefits and qualities of such an attitude, faith in the Buddha, recognition of the sufferings of sentient beings, and proper encouragement from a Dharma teacher. Further, the bodhisattva levels say, what are the four causes for that? The first cause for the arising of bodhisattva mind is that of possessing the very best potential. The second cause for the arising of the bodhisattva mind is to be properly supported by the Buddhas, bodhisattvas, and by spiritual teachers. The third cause for the arising of the bodhisattva mind is to have compassion for sentient beings. The fourth cause for the arising of the bodhisattva mind is the fearlessness in the face of samsara suffering and the sufferings of undergoing hardships, even though these may be long, enduring, manifold, difficult to cope with, and without respite.
Dodi gelene yang taba lamba dali chun sim geba da. Tuen tambi sim geba ni yusu sur sunde. Tela tangbo ni chodub gyudub sawayadu tuyadub gewa kombali midemba da tenchu. Shengi tembi sim ge je sunde. Shengi tembi sim ge jeba ne. Shengi nambar rijele sim gewa kanyinba tene. Yang tabar lamba dali chunba shige chade. Kuzub chanchu ki semso. Tena chogi toble di gewe shengi ki ngor gewa yoto. Gyui toble di rigi tui gewa yoto. Gewe tsawa toble di ti rigewe go na gewa yoto. Tebe toble di chugi namra teta de sheba na gewa yoto. Gewa kombale di seti nila, di nila, dadu nyemba dan zimba da changwa la soba le gewa yoto. Tena chogi toble midien la, gyula soba toble tenpa zhungwa wo.
Sutras, separate causes are mentioned for the generation of the two aspects of bodhicitta. Generation of a verbally arisen bodhicitta on the basis of having received it through a perfect ritual, and generation of ultimate bodhicitta. With respect to the first, it says, through the power of the support, of the cause and of the root, of learning and of virtuous habits, it is taught that respectively stable and unstable bodhicitta and bodhicitta taught by others will emerge.
Tsang duen zare. Tuen ta misim gewe gyuni.
Oh, awesome. The generation of bodhicitta taught by others refers to that which has arisen on the basis of others' revelatory speech, and which is also known as that which is properly received and occurs by means of words. This is relative bodhicitta. Within this, there are those that arise through the power of support, that is, through the presence of a spiritual teacher. Then there are those that arise through the power of cause, meaning by the force of natural potential. Those that arise through the power of the root of virtues, meaning the activation of that potential. Those arising through the power of learning, when the varieties of the meaning of the Dharma are explained. And those that arise through the power of virtuous habits, through whatever has been routinely studied, directly understood, firmly adhered to, and so forth in these life. Of the above, those which arose through the power of support is unstable, while those that arise through the power of the cause and the rest are stable.
Tuen tambe sim gewe gyuni zobe sange ramni ji sonam ishi tsora so chela mi do ishi ni geshir tene tambar de je song de long da juba da tobe kebar tagi keba wo.
As to the cause for the arising of ultimate bodhicitta, it is said that, having pleased well the perfect Buddhas, having gathered the perfectly merit and wisdom, non-conceptual pristine awareness of reality arises, and this is held to be the ultimate bodhicitta.
Chanju gi sim de lang yu ne Loben yue lu da mebe lu ni yinde de loben ti jang ro la so changbar jebe barje men satar yin loben yue ba yimbi ti jang chin la yu te la lang ba loben gi sini ge do ba ba chogal ke ba da rang do ba thola ma ne bar ne ba da lunga ge ji gi tyon khor ne ba da sanse lur mi je ba je lo ma kyong te dra chung ju lam de le 양다 신이데 말 라마상라 도바라 도베 차갈라게다 다니 간시 domlane 도바 보스니지데 라마상 버셰바체 셰 송소.
The sixth topic concerns the source from which the bodhisattva vow is adopted. There are two ways, one involving a preceptor and one without. If it poses no obstacle to life or practice of purity, the aspirant should go to a preceptor, if one is available, and take the commitment personally, even if the latter is far away. The characteristic qualities of such teachers are skill in the ritual ceremony for administering the vow, having received the vow themselves and kept it unimpaired, the ability to convey the meaning of the ritual's physical gestures and words, a loving care for the disciples that is undefiled by the pursuit of material gain. Thus it says in the Lamp for the Path to Awakening, take the vow from a good master possessing the very best characteristics. A good master should be known as someone skilled in the ceremony for taking the vow, who has personally kept whatever the vow entails, and gives the vow patiently and compassionately.
전주 sembe sale kya 전주 sembe malam tabe chir chue tyumba domba langba keba rang nga number riji ki tuen zimba da kor nyuba she sung so te dabu ki lama ti ta nyewa na shu kya ti jengar zhuwa so changbar jewa la parje yue na lama meba she chawa yin ti shi shibi kusu ki jengar mu ju khaan lembe tsik nam nying thaba ne len sub jebe meba tam juba de tobo ti daraya 전주 sembe sale 가대 연대 대다다 대비 강사 매버 규라 전주 선배 디지시비 구수기 장아 더니기 전주 선배 출임기도 마양 타버 랑वर 차的些送索
The Bodhisattva level says, to be able to give the Bodhisattva wish, the preceptor should be in accord with the Dharma, have taken the vow, be skilled, know how to communicate the meaning of the ritual words, and know how to make the disciple understand. However, if such a Lama resides close by, but there is a possibility of some threat to life or to purity in going to him, then there is the Lama-less method. For this, stand before an image of the Buddha and sincerely recite 3 times the words of the aspiration bodhicitta or the engaged bodhicitta vow, whichever is appropriate. Thereby you receive the aspiration or practice vow. Thus, Bodhisattva level says, should it happen that there is no such person with the requisite qualities, bodhisattvas properly go before an image of the Buddha and take the vow of the bodhisattva moral discipline by themselves.
라마다 구수 니가 많이 뉘기 난가라 상계의 전주스만은 무슨 곰네 멤버 주비 쓰는 렌스 주비 토보 대다야 라바 꾼이 뒤발래 야 대다비 계획신이면 초준의 주비 상계의 전주스만은 무슨도 곰네 dombadangi yitoblan jala langde xie sungso.
If neither a preceptor nor a Buddha image is available, the words of the aspiration or engaged bodhicitta vows are recited 3 times in front of Buddhas and Bodhisattvas visualized as truly present, assembled in the space before the aspirant. The Compendium of Training says, further, should there be no such spiritual mentor, meditate that the Buddhas and Bodhisattvas dwelling in the 10 directions are really present and take the vow through the strength of your own mind.
다버지 진리르시 제네 다 간다르 디즈기 전주 선배에게 이제 다 도마르 계획 드네 지 전주 선배 dom바디 라마 다지 로베 간저시기 뉘네 전수 dom바디 랭 구주 다들 송이브레.
And so what these describes are the causes for initially developing bodhicitta and how to develop it in the presence, or how to take the vow in the presence of a guru or master.
텔레야 아니자 지당에 가주르다 디즈골레다 개브르지 베 선이지 슈쇼면서 섬정도 지당 초가텔이야 지게 더 워드 주원은 신기 자신주규 로다 안 사무도 규로사로 된지지 니 버지용데 소르셰샤 데네 양 가시에 들려야 심점로도 우마로세 근데 다니다니 이제 용데 야래.
Now I think that we will describe these in detail later as it becomes clear later on in the text, where it describes that there are the traditions that come from the lineage of vast conduct and that from the lineage of the profound view. Now these are also called by some people the traditions of the mind only and the middle way.
근데 괜찮으셔도 파번 잠베니 로벤 루루니 말라규 로벤 시와레 루다 파바 참바네 로벤 토메니 말라규 조슬린 빌로드니 시버죠 대야 파번 잠베니 로벤 루루니 말라규 로벤 시와레 루다나 어르다 나투스 다 드네 인두스타네 다 우심 다 별이야지 우심기 초가 수수 예수 순예 데데 개와 영대 아래 야 우심기 로그베 초가 타데 메스 데데 순예 데 바지 영대 예스레 제자다 딜레 시주디스 민자미라 디스 영대 아래 제자 디스니 슈인 증면도 섬정도.
And so in Tibet, there are scholars who do say that there are different traditions that come from the mind-only tradition and the middle way traditions of taking the bodhisattva vow. But there are also different scholars who say that that these traditions are not separate, and so there are different explanations of them.
다 조조된 오늘은 지금 초가 지금 하는 데만 잠시기 지금 초간 데만 잠시기 엔 지금 가르에 심게 게아사데 칼라하우스타 초간 데만 잠시기 다들 심게 사데 오늘은 내가 가서 공수변한 신기 야나는 지금 개회 신인데게 막 모두를 다들 심게 고르면 드셔 나요 두스다네 엔 지금 디게를 비체제 엔 조스 심규량 오늘은 내가 다지 다 전환기에서는 다도 딱 한다 배지 심규리아지 용아 개발제는 근데 좋은지 근데 토안에 아니 심규들이 용스래 야면은 다지 수수기 리그로 세지 엔티버심도 리세지 다 근데가 다지 인지심 심전이야지 인지를 위해지 거를 다 근데 좀 의미는 니지 개발진 규리기아로 근데 좀 의미는 에야 되지 가져야 다들 용시들만 저가 되면서기 엔 심계사 디스가 하고 있었어.
But the most important thing is that merely reciting the ritual aloud is difficult. It's difficult to say that that's developing bodhicitta. As I've described, as we've described before, when you hear when you hear a spiritual master, a guru, give an explanation of it or describe bodhicitta, then this can be the cause to give you interest and longing for it, and then you develop a particular feeling within yourself, and it's quite possible that that can lead you to develop bodhicitta. Or it can be the awakening of your potential. It can be the awakening of the Mahayana potential. Because of that, then you feel compassion for sentient beings. And when you have that special compassion for sentient beings, then it can also occur. But I think it's difficult for it to just happen by reciting the words of the liturgy.
다 내인 뉴스단에 지기 전주 선배에게 다 도바스나 다지 근데 뭐슈 공리야 이해려야지 오늘 저녁에 다 전주 쌤 로종을 봐 되게들려야지 오늘 전에 로종 양으로 제제 제가 토하는 다지 수술이야 오늘 전에 다지 가주에 다지 셈리야 지 영화 테마르지 근데 주고아데 개좀 싫어하셔.
In any case, before you take the vow of the bodhisattva, it's important to go through the stages first of training the mind in bodhicitta. Then when that really when you've really done that well, then in that way you need to be able to bring out an experience of it within your own mind.
어다 된데 다 되는데 남시디 니고야 남시르다 지 견자르지 견조 년견소지 니 보더니 나지 나도 차대 이제지 다디 남시디 아버지라면도 당아지 가서다 다드린 주산에 다 디주고의 상월로 선이 제리아다需要면로 섬도 정도 아마시 드린 양아야 지 추주 주지리아 양백에 추주 주지리아 안백에 야리 가라데 제고지여자 델리아가 조고도 제가 다 망부지 시에대로스게면도
The weather today is kind of strange. It makes all of you listeners are getting sleepy, and I'm also getting a little bit drowsy. In any case, it's very soporific weather.
다 차디 다다는 바땅샤는 가사래 this 니들 세미
It's better to have the tea now so you can wake up. I will talk about all of this in greater detail tomorrow. Actually, this morning at 11 a.m., I do have to go attend another event.
엄마 나니가 아메리카 두디스탄에 아메리카다 가서 있어라 스타벅스 지도 어디 커피지도 어디 가서 있어 통화도 와 다이네 베베 차 통화요 말에 tin지 뉴욕 베베 상한지는 교지 신비 디디 베베 차자서 이게 디테일스다 베베 차자 커피랑 렌도 삼스 베베 커피 제가 베베 스타벅스 디 베베 제가 베베 스타벅스 사 통나 디지 아니 니디 디지 펜토스를 삼청도
So when I was visiting America, in America, they drink a lot of coffee. There's Starbucks all over. And you just don't get a lot of Tibetan tea. Actually, in New York, I went to this restaurant, and they had what they called Tibetan tea. When I drank it, I thought, I'm not sure if this is really tea. Maybe this is actually Tibetan coffee. It tasted just like Starbucks. So we can have a Tibetan Starbucks. And that would really help keep us awake.
다들이 뉴스단에 배 가르쳐다디 다 지금은 전에 전주쇼도 샘게 섬으로 샘게를 게마게 사데 아니 초갈이야 라 지가르에 라류데브르 지다 지라메 마지 전선에 또 배초가를 제비네 지금 등주여버려. 근데 기자 말에 아주 전선에 도마 배랑 안 아주 용할 때입니다. 아주 전선에 도마다 뭐뭐 휴차래. 저가 뭐 어떤 사래. 된다는 신기 왕망부 쉬네 지금 고토래야 부마망부 샤차래. 다 이내야 아나도 다다바도 지금에 지내게 다 쇠매기 전주 심게 저 매매기 전주 심게도 파샤네 쇠식 단 영화 테마로 심게를 쇠식 영화 테마로 중요를 왜서나 다들 중요하스라 깔아하고 싶지하대 야래 어다들 네인데 다들 가르쳐서는 가서 은혜 지내기 수수이 도구를 지지든지 게 가져다지 셈래야 정다를 지단체요 로 정도만 로정 베스디 상말로 그러 로정 상말로 베제난 샤샤마도지 디수수이고 로 정도 되게 수수 심규리야 주 심규된 데버체지 근데 지금 얌래 제가 아주 제하대 가라 가져다 시라 제토요 말에 다 대체 모두 뒤 에는 아주 기 삼로디 삼바 다 댕두사네 다 하다거든 가르다지 네 동방만 뭐 쉬차래 다는 신기 에 지기 왕왕 뭐 쉬차래데 그냥 아주 미세다지 시라랑 즉 전화로 게임도
Now, whether or not bodhicitta, whether we've developed bodhicitta or not, it's difficult. It's difficult to say. Oh, that it depends upon the ritual, or maybe many lamas will say, "Oh, it's okay if you do it by the ritual," but it's not like that. So we've taken. There's the bodhisattva vow, and we have taken the bodhisattva many times, but how many times have we taken it? How many empowerments have we had where at the beginning there's the bodhisattva vow? But up until now, forget about even an uncontrived feeling. Even coming up with a contrived feeling of bodhicitta during these, have we even had that contrived feeling during these times? It's difficult to say that we have. And so why is that? The reason for that is that instead of training our mind, instead of developing our minds and training our minds, and going through all the steps of the mind training, we have left all of the instructions on mind training as merely as just being instructions in texts. We haven't really been able to join them with our being. We haven't really been able to practice them in this way. And so because of that, we have not really been able to develop it. And so we think that that is enough, but it's not. But no matter how many times we go through the ritual of taking the vow, no matter how many empowerments we take, we don't develop any particular feeling.
제상 렌주산에 최치아사데 람룩스르브지 되는지 마샤브시제 봐 람룩스르 되게 지거래 되게 제어래 사르브지 다지 생기 젠랑 잠시다 안에 람룩스르기 젠랑 잠시 되게 제비미나 근데 시라시라지 소설 팬더시라요 말해 다디 수수응외네 오늘 내가 지 영화 개발제 선한 장도 야나지 니루균제 시에 토네 에너지 전화를 개ብ치지 대래 전에 준비신도 수수 딱 한다 가서 수수 개빙외네 딱 한다 취해들래야 미세단 데버를 쏟도 채워를 마다베 드가스직다 딘 루스레 니레지 제수요아레 사르비지 딘디지 제수 단지 침비이나 아주 펜토시라요 안데 아주 갈라카보시라 있을 something.
We can't just leave our practice of the Dharma as some mere tradition or a mere custom. It's not like we can just say, "Oh, this is what we do," and we can't just follow what others do. We can't just follow a tradition. Doing that will not bring us much benefit individually. Instead, from ourselves, we need to develop that special feeling for it. We need to, we need to understand the reasons and the way things are. When in this way we develop a feeling for it, then gradually we will be able to create a connection with our own individual connection with the Dharma. Otherwise, if we just say, "Oh, this is what the tradition is, this is what we do," then it's difficult for it to really bring us much benefit.
선이 지 semge choge kwade 선이 되지마 도주 점시 어르신의 아무만도 something도 되게 주면에 마음 발야지 심기에기 지 가수에 domba shunyen samro chunju sebe domba shunyen di zui ya choga din rodan ru dis lu menda menda ru chi ta di rodan ru dis shebe mina ya ma on bala ya so so ki on bala ji chunju sebe domba ru shubi mina en di ka do li ya pen do ru yong men ro sam do s cheng do
And so tomorrow I would like to give an introduction to the ritual of taking the Bodhisattva vows. Because I think if you have this, if you hear this, then in the future, anyone who wishes to take the Bodhisattva vow, if they know basically what the ritual is, how it works, and what the different types of rituals are, then I think it'll benefit them benefit you when you take the Bodhisattva vow.
다드네 선이 들이 가라 들이 니 섭딘 저루 섭딘 섭게 들이 니 저루 섭딘 섭게 숨이야 디 치링마디 니 저루 섭딘 섭게로 그봐 니 저루 섭딘 섭게 숨이야 치링마 나드 샬이야 까마버시 러룹체 Chidri Chalia and Sirimi, the Chodorno to Suyaimere, the Chodor Senadada, Sirimi, the Drumjers of Shed, the Drumjer of Suyaimere.
Now, in a few days, on the 26th, 27th, and 28th, we will be having the puja of Tseringma and the Long Life Sisters. So during this time, in the morning we will do the Karma Pakcha Guru Yoga, and in the afternoon we will have the offering pujas for the 5 Long Life Sisters.
The Sirima de Tabhelia Gabangamuji Sugambalia, the Sirimia Drumjue de Drumjue Gabatso, Samarvadaji, Drumjue Gaban and Shingi. And try ever cheje. Drunju Sindana Sink. That Drunju gave a tear of Chadiore. Chesa Treva gave her the Suya, Lusu, the Yedi. And Chesa Tanges to some Tajustan, Sirima Deji Kashruda, Che Kashre Chojineta, Drugi Suma, Tumo Imber to Chadiore. And Jizu Miller Rebek, Ngai Tembadi, me nane, Uba Tembada, Mima Inginane, Chomotsirime, Zimber Dos, this Kanama, Uba Tembasadeta, Tabula Chadi Orba, me nane, Uba Tembegi, Netembadin Zimber Dos, Uba Tembas the Ugi Tembasada, Uz the Uzang Urba, Tembasad the Kevangamaji, Besi Shengen is Tembasadwa. We got Dambasadi Gambobare and Mima Inginane, Chomotsirimi, and a temperzimatos. Those Kanara and Hindustana, that Drugi, Sumatumo ever to Chadiare. Tana singing and Drugi Lama Koma, Kashi, Benakawa and Gumato, and the Zugi, Sirimade, Lame Surchi. Lama Rushita, Idam, the Idam Senator, the Lama Raj teaching Che, my Sembe Luguruchi. And Anna Jetusum Kambale in Tennis the Chegong number in the chair, and Anna Jim Miller Vegata, Drugi, Dembazinging, Dakar Kansar Chadi of Hindustana, Digi, Drugi Lama Commander, Lama Latensia, but the G Chadi. And the individual and Dana Shingi order to see.
In the old days in Tibet, at Surpa Monastery, there was the custom that the puja of Tseringma was actually was among the more elaborate rituals that we did. There's a tradition to do it with a very elaborate and in a very full form. And I think that one of the reasons for this is that Tseringma is one of the particular protectors of our practice lineage. Milarepa himself said that of his students, among his human students, the greatest was the teacher from Yu, and among the non-humans, the greatest was Tseringma. So the teacher from Yu, that means Gampopa. It means he came from the province of Yu, and he was a teacher, which in that day meant that he's someone who taught the Dharma. So he was called the teacher from Yu. So he was the greatest of the human disciples. And among the non-human disciples, the greatest was Tseringma. And she also is, and so in this way, she also became a particular protector of our practice lineage. And so many of the great masters of the past, such as Yang Gumpa, not only practiced Tseringma as a deity, but she also was like a lama for them. So that she was a Yidam deity, but she also was a guru who taught them Dharma. It was also like this for Dusum Khyentse. And so in this respect, she takes the form of a Dharma protector, but she is also an individual who upholds the teachings of Milarepa and is someone whom the masters of the past have served as their guru.
제산 다 다르데 지림에 더 준체 니마 숨스와로도 셰레 제가 당에 자와레 마오발야 주메게 공부처 나눠려 안 로르리야 지림에 더 준체로 아다들이 소토니 아무로스 안에 알하바르도 안달로 당부체위는 지림에 준제들 냠도 시리메다 양겹서 양기초 양초로 자르시도 샤레 양초디 다다본 뇌년시라면도 장군 로르타에 제야래 이는 뇌게르 시라면도 제자디 제미 양초 자르시 당부 체시로 디 가레사나 달로다 당부 겔롬에 도바 자 뭐야기 고주야로 지미 유산디 균센된다 양쇼를 전에 한번 로섬 또 템브레 안 달로디 킬로미터 바바데 용면도 다 초지네 안디저 다 로나 기지르시도 이제 달로 로나 충와래 상나 로나 체와래는 수도 로나 지준이도와 다 로나 충와다 로나 체와디도 다디 드네 유산에 다디 양지 남도르지 맞으란지도 왔대. 이제 드네 인두산에 땅에야 봐. 년 가서 로제마 찬트면도스. 로제마 아니 양초로 붙여나. 저면도서 드릴 정도. 땅이나 준셔진 돼야 도시.
So we will hold the Tseringma puja for 3 days, and my hope is that the various nunneries will begin to hold the puja in their nunneries as an annual event. Now, in this puja, there is also a ritual for a wealth ritual in it. And this is a ritual that was written by Jamgon Kongtrul Lodro Thaya, but it is not frequently performed. So actually this year the initial plan was that we would do this as a way to begin the ceremonies of conferring the Shikshanameri vows. And I thought it would be good to do that, but the vows we won't be able to begin that this year. As I mentioned, it's a black year. Actually, there are 2 black years. This year is a lesser black year. Next year is an even greater black year. This is by the Tibetan calendar, and so this is maybe it's just a thought, but we have no choice but to take it into consideration. And so next year we will do the puja. Also with the wealth ritual, but this year we will only do the offering pujas.
다 드린도 지단 치료마데 지 체라를 차려래 드린도 지 치주 차려버데 미세르 차려라 라바도 다나진 지 추림 가르지 지 추림 상와 여러분들이 영화리야 좋아하셔 여러분들이 በቻ리 유스레 제자 드린 주산디 균선되네 안드지 라바도 안다리 아주 좀 주소한디 다조 야탐지 겸바 다 야이 신노비기 다 가수래 샵데 다 드레체 미체 또 주라도 시 안드레 주산다지 나중에네 다 가서서로지 도시하로도시 다 드네 선이들이 니슈츠시네 송데 에너지다 게르차맹네 지 멜렉 송아 아드 멜렉 송아도 다야다 베가스 주바 다 송아를 못되다 용마다 통화로디 다 송아 응통디 아다 들이 니슈츠시네 송데 지 가서 도도르지 지그르 차맹네 도스바 장소 이제 조디 여름치기다 구스샤대로 쉐도 안도시 다른 접신이 존데 지단 게르 참행은 나도 마신 아주 공다데 지 샤덴시 된 거야 안 디걸바 샤덴시 된 거야 소르다데서 샤덴 된 거봐 안 디걸이야 ane miele sunga disane aumenrosan dus jengdo amaji de ger susungenda kaje tuduru dus transfer chena an gundu dus che transfer chena yabu yores dus ba kanangdo an jeza drin dusane jigit sameng dus kan tuduru chache ane di sirimi chogadi message je ane maji gundu ji sirimalia message da dos carre da tu never samare 드립시 on the are 제잔 디토리아 당기 콘슈브나 신기 체라로 샤디게 인자 미세가 진 데버럽 쳐바진 도스 안드레 인두산 자명외네 대디신 다 토르샤로 나수 샤이
Now, the Tsarima Puja is also a long life practice, and so there is an aspect of it as a long life practice. And in particular, it is an aid for having a long life with pure discipline. And so when we are holding the puja now, the reason for holding the puja now is for the long life of His Holiness the Dalai Lama. And so I'd like to ask all of you to please do it as carefully as you can. Also, in a few days, starting on the 24th, I'd like to ask everyone to please, in general as a community and also individually, to recite as many of the Medicine Buddha mantras as you can. This is the Tadyata Om Bekaze Bekaze Maha Bekaze Raja Samadgati Soha mantra. There are several different ones, but that is the mantra that you should recite. And please recite and count as many of them as you can. This is also for His Holiness's long life. And so from the 24th, we should collectively and individually recite these for his long life. And in particular, in the evenings, in the afternoons, we have the nuns who do the puja in here should also recite this during that time. So this is at His Holiness's request, and I'd like to ask you to please do as many as you can. And then also we will have, especially for his long life, we will have the Tseringma Puja, which His Holiness seems pleased about. And so I'd like to just have you keep this in mind, that this is for a practice for long life.
이제 수수의 장사하신 정도 다대지 아당이 장가대야 제과를 이게 민도 나가는 주수수 가져도도로 도서 장사하잖아. 어도 저도 아도시.
Now, when you count the mantras, there's no need to collect the totals and everyone total them all together. Just do your own individual best, please.